Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday morning, September 27th. We're looking at window traders market profile of the ES and the NQ. Speaking of window trader, tomorrow afternoon, Thursday, September 28th, 4:30 Eastern Time, Terry Lieberman of Window Trader and I will be doing a webinar. Okay, free webinar. The link is on my Twitter at Paul Asmar and the number 5. Okay, going to be very interesting. This man has a wealth of knowledge. He's been in the market for many, many years. He's going to be breaking down the market on a yearly basis, even with the market profile from all time frames, and then going over some days this week and his outlook for the fourth quarter. So it should be very interesting. So it's free, so please register and hope to see you there. That's number one. Number two, there won't be a video tomorrow morning. I have an appointment. I will be here for the opening, but there won't be a morning video. Okay. So to the markets, right now sellers again firmly in control. But last night, as you can tell, we traded strictly inside of yesterday's value. Now, E period's low is important to me. That's where the market attempted to spike from as we pushed lower for the last 2.5 hours. Okay? Right now, again, there's 75 minutes to go, but right now we're above it. That's a very important level. If we open above it, I want to see the reaction if we pull back to it. Okay? If we get acceptance below it, well, guess what? You'll get the overnight low again. If you hold it, well, then we're going to get the overnight high. And then maybe eventually, do we take out yesterday's high and come back into balance? Okay? So, that's what we're looking for this morning. Same thing with triple Qs. Now, we had an afternoon rally high at H. Look at our overnight high right above it. Okay, our overnight low is right at value low. Righty had a double distribution day yesterday in the price probe. They're now trading. They traded overnight into the upper distribution. Now they're right above the lower. So we'll see how that plays out. So for a simple game plan, again, overnights. First and foremost, those are the most important things to me when we're trading the ES. Okay, because again, 80% of the time you don't get the other one. That's pretty good odds when it comes to trading. Doesn't mean you won't, but it's pretty good odds. And even yesterday, I told the room, even though we got the overnight low, if we had taken out yesterday's high, the odds of getting the overnight high was slim. But that doesn't mean I was going to be just shorting it, saying, well, we can't get the overnight high. Would have gotten ran over. Now that didn't occur, but again, everything is context. So what's the plays for this morning? Well, right now, the way we stand, quite simply, you can short front run the overnight high against the afternoon rally high, if that's where it is. And you can front run the overnight low by seeing along against E's low to see where there were sellers yesterday. Are they not there this morning? That's very early. If we do open imbalance in value, the worst of your risk reward, and you're going to need your hard hats. I'm telling you, there'll just be tremendous chopping here. Okay? And then on the chart, I'm just going to show you the daily because nothing could change in the monthly or weekly to the daily changes. Now, we did 96 million yesterday, so definitely better than the 70 million we did the day before. But again, even with this whole move down, there's nothing, you know, if it was long-term sellers, you'd be doing volume of 150 million or more. So this entire move down right now has been dictated by short-term players still. So keep that in mind, okay? I would still keep an eye on Apple at that 172 level. Like I said, just getting below it yesterday doesn't mean anything to me, right? If Apple's really going to start coming in some more, sellers are going to need to get acceptance below that level. So again, nothing changes until we take out a daily high. Good luck trading today. Thanks for the likes and subscribing to this channel, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.